So today, I'll be showing another example of keying. Okay, it's of composition part. Again, whenever we work on any of the composition, it's always mid-ground, foreground, and the background part. So I have a footage which is of a skeleton army, which is something like this. Okay, I would like to use this particular footage over here, and and I would like to create a massive effect wherein right now, if you see, let's say three in a row, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, somewhere around 30 soldiers. I want to make it look like 300 soldiers. How do we do that? But I have only one footage. Then how do I make it look like 300 or 1000? How do we do that? Let's see that how to do. Okay. First thing, in my compositing, in the composition, before new composition, I would like to prefer half HD composition now. Give okay. Very first thing, add a black solid in the background. So we have a black solid. Then I need to have a war scene or war room. So for that, I have a war place here. Okay. #3 After Effects. Okay, one more. Keying _02. So I'm just adding the footages here. And when these characters or when these skeletons, when they walk or move around, a lot of smoke also will be there, right? I need some of the smoke footages as well. Yeah, I think I have it here. Top 10 dust and explosion. Yeah, you can see some dust part here. Let's see. Okay, I'll pick this also. Let's see if we can do something better. So first thing what I do, I would like to add war place into the scene. So war place over here. So now the war place, Control Alt F, Control Alt F. So select this, Control Alt F, full screen. Is it looking good? No, the quality is not that great. So let me pick foreground images. There are a lot of like grounds are like this. It will be something like this. I want to give an ancient touch for this. Or like a mythological touch. Or else like, let's say battleground. You can just type for battleground. Okay, I'm getting this image. Let me search for only ground. Okay. I think this is fine. Let me save this image. and I'll go to desktop. I have this ground image. I cut this and I'm picking here. And this one, drag and drop into After Effects. I think it's okay. I'm gonna delete this. Control Alt F. Okay, this looks good. Then I would like to pick, Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountains. Uh, you have to pick right footages. That's what I'm just referring to. So that's the reason I'm searching in front of you all. Just type mountains or mountains PNG. Okay, this is also good. I think I prefer this one, or yeah, this one. So this is of Shutterstock. Let's say not required of Shutterstock. I think this is good. So save image and desktop. I'm saving this image. Okay. So show the desktop. I pick this one, cut and paste here. So now this mountains also I'm just placing here, and I want mountains. Mountain should go back, but for time being I have to do a bit of masking here. Okay, see the mountain part, it is something like this. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to do masking, wherein okay, I think I did something different. Okay, let's say we'll take like this. Okay. When I'm creating shape layer, select this, then okay, like this. Okay, now if you see the top part has been removed, but in mask, I would like to invert this like this. So mountains will go in the back, or else let the mountain be here. Here, if you see the options, there are so many other options as well. You have to press F4. Press F4 here. If F4, there is a key on the top. You have to press F4. And this one, it is in normal. I can make this into darken, or I can make this into multiply. What happens now? This particular image is gonna blend with this. That means this image is like this, right? The BG is like this. So blending mode, you might have, worked with a blending mode in Photoshop, right? It's like that. So multiply or add or overlay. There are so many things are there. Color burn. Just check whichever is suitable, how to go with that. Multiply is good. Now I think this is linear burn. This is also looking good. Darker color. Hard light. This is fine. Exclusion is also okay, but I think linear burn is something like this, or let's say multiply. I think multiply is suitable. Okay, I'll go with multiply. So now the BG is ready, and this BG is customized one, which we have created by selecting multiple images and working here. One more thing. We can add one more mask over here with respect to the sky part. Because I need a bit of animation in the sky part. So let me know at any point of time if you do not understand anything, I'll explain again. You can match this, at least some 70 to 80%, even that also works well. So it is mask 2. I think it's over here like this. So I did give intersect. So now I want sky footage. So sky footage, I'm gonna pick from here. So again, placement of the sky matters. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. I'm copying the mask and I'm just, okay, let's do one thing. Which is the mask here is, okay, this mask. Okay, this is the mask. I copy this and I paste this mask in this one, sky. Okay, so we got only sky here, and coming to this particular part, I delete this mask And here, I think it's okay. Right. And coming to this area in mask, and it is, I think we need to work on it. I'm gonna delete. Okay. In case, how do we match this? Okay. You might have few more question already. Like let's say we have few things which we not created like this, mask like this. How to add few more points? Just go here, click on this, add vertex tool. Click on this, add vertex. If you see add vertex tool here, click on this. You can add vertex. Okay. Then you can go back to pen tool, drag and drop here like this. Okay. Like this also can be done. Then I think post this. I can give bit feather. That also can be done. In mask too. Bit feather. I gave bit feather so that it looks like this. Okay. If you see, these clouds are moving. Okay. Okay, I think feather part. Let me reduce feather. I think it's okay. Then color correction for this. This is not matching. So color correction, right click, go to effect, color correction. In color correction, go to curves. I don't want blue tint. I want red tint. Red. Go to blue. Reduce the blue part. Okay, it's like this. So off, on. See, it's like this. Now almost the RBG part is done. Next, what I do is skeleton army. Drag and drop into this. Get the skeleton army on top. Okay, Control Shift D. I delete this. I'll come over here, select this. So it's up to here. I want this entire team up to here, like this. Okay, so Control Shift D. So almost for up to 9 seconds it is there. So what I do, I select all this, Control Shift D, then I delete this, and N for ending the time frame, N. Then right click, trim composition to work area. So for 9 seconds, we are working on it. 9 seconds output we are going to create. Now select this, edit. Okay, go to effect, keying, key light. Take this eyedropper tool, remove this one. Okay. So now if you see, this is looking something like this. But what I want is from here, I want this to be seen a little bit big. Okay. Here like this. Okay. It's like this. Okay. Now what I do, I duplicate this layer. Okay. And let me duplicate a couple of duplicates. I'll do. Let me take the lower bottom one. Observe carefully. Let me take the bottom one. Okay. Scale this, make it smaller. Place it here. Okay. So you have to observe this as well. Okay. Okay. Control Alt F. Let me scale this. And I would like to place it here like this. Then this one scale here. This one to this almost left and down. I can scale it a bit like this. This one, it's over here. I can scale them also a bit down like this. And this one, I can scale down a bit like this. And this one, scale down a bit like this. So now when I play, all these are like this. Okay, observe. This is how it is. It was just one footage, let's say 30 soldiers. Now if you see, it's more. So now the placement again. I make this to quarter. I would like to save this first, otherwise it might get crashed. Batch 3, After Effects, King 2, Skeleton Walk or War Scene. Okay. So I make it full. Now I'm selecting this 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now press F4 again so that you can see the effects or options for the layer. These 4 I would like to make it 3D layer. Okay. Now the bottom one, go for position, Z-axis, move them backside. This one, position, Z-axis, move them bit back. This one, position, Z-axis, move them. Achha, it's not Y, it is Z, move them bit back. And this is fine, Z, you can get them bit front or something like this. Even same thing, you can duplicate this bottom one, select this, you can move them bit back and get them here. You can even duplicate this, select the bottom one, move them bit back and just get them here. Like more and more, that's what, like I would like to mention. So let me select the front one. I would like to duplicate this. So position, get them bit front and over here like this. Scale. Just check the position. That's it. So I would like to duplicate again, position, get them bit front like this. I'll come to the bottom again. I duplicate this, the bottom one, move them bit back and to the front. Let me show you how does this looks. This is how it looks. Okay. There are a lot of people, right? A lot of skeletons now. And if you see, so all these are moving, they're marching like this. Okay. Lot many things, lot many things are happening. There are a few more shots here, like wherein Dust and explosions is the so what I do for the skeleton part, I select the skeleton, all the skeleton. Control Shift C, pre-compose, or I can mention army. Okay, this is an army part. So if you see this, how many people, like these people are marching, right? These people are marching. So what I would like to do is I would like to add one more shot wherein dust and green screen into this. Add this for time being somewhere here. I would like to see the dust part or the blast something. Okay, I think this looks good. So I'll take this one, the top one, but still here, this one. So what I do, I'll go to effect, key light. The last one which we have taken will be appeared here. Okay, now if you see, so now just look. In the first shot only, the dust is like this. So even what I can do, scale, x-axis, y-axis. Y-axis, I would like to reduce a bit. Or else let it be, it's okay. So transparency, let me reduce. Instead of 100%, let me reduce transparency, something like this. So that, okay, let me just see like this. There's a dust and this dust is moving. This dust part is moving, okay? And one more thing what I'll do, this dust, the same layer, I would like to duplicate this. And this one I would like to add behind the army part as well. Okay. Behind the army also, this dust is there. And let me reverse this footage, time, reverse layer, so that it's not the top dust and the bottom, behind the army dust, it should not be same. So just to have a difference, I'm just giving like this. Okay. So the top dust, even I can just reduce a bit. Okay. Now coming to this one, the top one, which I had one more. I would like to see if anything else is there. Not this. I had a good sort of smoke and fire. Not this one. I can have this. Control Shift D, select this, delete. Somewhere here. So Control Shift D, I can duplicate this. So this part, select this, go to effect, keying, key light, pick this green, remove. So now this particular fire part, it should be behind the army. Okay. And the placement, it can be somewhere one here. So it's like this. And I want to scale this a big. I need a big smoke, right? And better, this to be, make it 3D layer position. X, Y, Z. So let's see. Okay. So when I place it here, I duplicate this one. I would like to place it somewhere, not here. Where is it? The duplicated one, this one. I'll make this solo. And I would like to reduce this and position a bit far. Okay, I'll just show you in a quarter, how does it look? Okay, I hope you enjoy this. These people are marching. There's a huge blast. Okay. And somewhere here also, it's going to blast now. I think there should be some blast here. Okay, there's another blast. So this is pure cinematic compositing. Okay. I want you to learn something. Okay. Means you have to look for a right footage and just come up with some idea. Okay. Understood. I can add few more smoke effect at the bottom of these, legs also.
Understood.
Any doubts up to here? Doubts, guys?
Clear, sir.
Do you have any doubts? No? Okay, let's do one thing. So for this particular assignment, I'm not going to share any of the videos, raw footages or source footages. It is your responsibility to find out the right footage. I want to see a war scene, like something like this. Okay, you can pick any of all these sort of green screen footages are available in YouTube. You have to download and you have to share the final output with me by end of tomorrow. Okay, so I expect some quality work from you, and let's see, how your creativity is involved in this particular output. Okay, and you can reach out to me at any point of time if you have any doubts or if you need any clarification. So I'm there to help you out. Great. Okay, then we'll see you in the next class. In the meantime, you have to share this particular work with me. And again, MD and Kumalo, you both are doing really good job. Okay, so I suggest Bayanda, Mei and Bayabonga to work on this. Okay, come up with some good output. So until then, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.
Sure.
Bye.